Anyway, oh my God, sorry. Anyway, for Mother's Day, I got my mom a trip to Paris. So we're going in January. We're just going to do like a mother-daughter trip to Paris. If you followed me for a little while, you know, to Paris and Barcelona, and then COVID happened and this, that, and the third, we had to cancel it. But I was like, you know what? I really want to go somewhere cool with my mom. She has never been out of the country. And so I'm going to take her to Paris in January. And I just booked her hotel this morning and it is mwah, wee wee.